A. Apple. A. Apple. The apple fell from the tree. The apple fell from the tree. T is for turtle. Can you say turtle? Turtle. We saw a turtle at the zoo. Here are some words that make the CH sound. Chin. Chin. Chime. Chime. Chimp. Chimp. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.